Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the digital well-being and parental controls. Let's tap on it. As you can see right here, we've got the graph, which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. As you can see, in my case 40 minutes, and under it we've got most used apps. So we've got particular apps with a specific time we've spent on them, which is quite nice. We can also tap on this graph and will be transferred to the dashboard, which will show us how long we've spent on the screen in particular days of the week. So that's really nice. We can really check and compare the days. We can tap on apps also, and everything will be divided between the apps we've spent time on. What is more, here we've got some screen time goal and app timer. So if you decided to spend too much time on the specific app, you can set the timer, and your device will kind of control how much time you spent on it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.